Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger or Dodge Charger. If you want to see how to test car battery, we'll explain that step by step and common mistakes people make assuming that you may have a good battery. As you know, Dodge Challenger, they're built on the same platform. Engines, transmission, suspension, practically almost the same guys. Now, it should work for both vehicles. We'll explain what you can expect, and also we'll talk about symptoms of bad car battery and how you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs when all you need to do is replace the battery. So let's start on it now. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, we're going to demonstrate how to test that car battery, but before we start, okay, we're going to have here, guys, 3 batteries, right? 3 batteries, 2 right here, 1 in the vehicle, used batteries, all of them. This one is from 2013, that's an 11 years old battery, 2019, 5-year-old battery, and the one in the vehicle, that's 4-year-old battery. And you will be surprised, age doesn't mean anything in good quality battery, guys. Now, guys, when battery starts going bad, you may notice certain symptoms. Okay, we'll have a really detailed video about symptoms of bad car battery on Dodge Charger and Dodge Challenger. Check it out, it will be on the channel. But sometimes you may experience transmission problems, messages on the dash, service transmission, transmission shifter. You may end up having engine light, flashing lights, warning lights on because of a bad battery. You may, we've seen people replace transmissions because of bad battery, believe it or not, because transmission may start shifting funny, hard shift, just because of a bad battery. So let's explain what we have here now, guys. Okay, here, if we come, now, that's 11-year-old battery. Most people will get a voltmeter, and when they connect the voltmeter, it's going to tell them the voltage of the battery. This one, check it out, 12.94. So, 90% of the people will say that's a really good battery, right? That's a really good voltage. But, guys, you will be surprised. Well, let's go ahead and test that battery now. Okay, this battery, it's supposed to be, okay, this one is supposed to be we can test it. It's supposed to be 800 code cranking amps. Let's see how many we have. We have 165 left. So that battery is shot. It said replace. 3% state of health practically, guys. So that battery is completely gone. Then we go to this one here. Okay. Now this one, check this thing out now. We're going to have here, it's super easy to test it with that tester, right? Here we're going to have 12.58 volts, guys. And if we test that battery now, okay, check this thing out. What do we have, guys? Here we're going to have, okay, 955 out of 900. This one state of health is 100%. That's a good battery, even though it's 5 years old. Now in the vehicle itself here, guys, okay, we have a battery, okay, that is going to show you now. Okay, we're going to, this one is supposed to be 730 amps, but it has only 10.58 volts. And we can go in vehicle, before charge, regular flooded, that one is specifically. And here we can just go ahead and go to 730, but this is just a number here. We're testing it. You can even test the charging system with that device. By the way, we'll put the information in the video below where you can get a battery tester like that. That's a life-saving device, guys. It says charge and retest, right? But it has 295 amps. Now, that one is completely charged because we just drove the vehicle for 10 hours yesterday. and it stays at only 10.58 volts. So most likely one of the cells is somewhere not functioning correctly. It lost about 2.5 volts, no matter how much we charge it, guys. So having good voltage doesn't mean that you have good battery, guys. Okay, having bad voltage sometimes doesn't mean you have bad battery. You need to charge it, test it again. But always, guys, do that, because we've seen people that replace transmissions and engine computers because of a bad battery. Something else, when replacing the car battery, it's important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, guys, what can happen? You can burn modules, computers, engine computer, traction control module, transmission modules, body computers. That can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. How we know about that? Back in the day when we first started in that business, we burned a module on Mercedes and that cost us $2,000. It was a traction control and ABS module. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.